Hello again. Let's look at temperature system control with the HydroWHIZ panel. So, you have a temperature configuration on your HydroWHIZ panel, which means your system runs with a temperature transducer, 4 to 20 milliamps, as the main input, and you have high and low temperature thermostats as backup if needed. Your panel comes with its own unique inner door label, showing exactly how the inputs are connected. For this example, we're using a standard dual pump controller with variable speed drives. Here's how the temperature connections work. In a standard temperature connection, a temperature transducer 4 to 20 milliamp is your primary control. Connect it to the analog input terminals and make sure the shielding is also connected to the earth terminal. 2 digital input terminals are provided for high and low temperature thermostats, which act as backup to start and stop the pumps and trigger alarms if the temperature gets too low or too high. Make sure there's a bridge in the terminal marked low level alarm, then connect the high and low temperature thermostats to the high and low alarms respectively. If you don't need a low temperature alarm, leave that terminal open, and if you don't need a high temperature alarm, it should be bridged. We will unassign these in the parameters later. Once you've finished setting up the input connections for your system, the next step is to look at the pump and power connections. Your HydroWHIZ panel comes with VSD cabling that is sized to the pump you'll be connecting. Make sure to connect the pump cable to the pump as per the manufacturer's instructions. The panel also has clearly marked terminals for the main power connection. On larger panels, these connections might be brought directly into an isolator or an MCCB, and earth neutral bars may be used in place of terminals. Once the pump and power connections are complete, you can close your panel and power it up, and your HydroWHIZ system will be ready to operate.